Did you know that you're more likely to catch a yawn from family, friends, or people you feel close to? Picture this. You're in a quiet room, and someone across from you yawns. Instantly, you feel the urge to do it too. You try to resist, but your body takes over. This is contagious yawning, a reflex that links us in a silent, invisible way. It's not a conscious choice. Just seeing, hearing, or even reading about yawning can trigger it. This odd chain reaction is a glimpse into how deeply we're wired to connect. Contagious yawning isn't just a quirk, it's a clue to the social wiring of our brains. But why does a stranger's yawn affect us? To answer that, let's start with a deeper question. Why do we yawn at all? A yawn is a deep, involuntary breath, stretching the jaw and filling the lungs. A biological reset. For years, people thought yawning was just about getting more oxygen, but modern research suggests something more interesting. Yawning may help regulate brain temperature, increase alertness, and shift our brain into a more attentive state, especially when we're tired, bored, or transitioning between mental states, times when our brains need to reset. It's still a hypothesis, but it's one of the leading explanations. However, this isn't unique to humans. Animals yawn too, often for similar reasons. It's an ancient reflex, a biological reset button for the brain, but it's also evolved into something more, a social signal. The real intrigue begins when a yawn spreads from one person to another. Contagious yawning is automatic. No one teaches us to do it. About 2/3 of people are susceptible, and even videos or sounds of yawning can trigger it. This isn't just mimicry. Our brains respond to yawning at a deeper social level. Some social animals, like chimpanzees and dogs, also catch yawns from each other. Scientists hypothesize contagious yawning helps groups sync up, resting, waking, or staying alert together. It's a subtle form of social communication, keeping groups in tune. A simple yawn can ripple through a group, binding members together. What's happening in our brains when we catch a yawn? Research using brain scans shows that contagious yawning activates regions involved in social awareness, attention, and empathy, like the precuneus, posterior cingulate cortex, and prefrontal areas. Some scientists even believe contagious yawning may have evolved as a subtle way for social groups to stay alert together, an ancient form of social synchronization, though this remains a hypothesis. Those brain scans show that empathy and contagious yawning light up the same neural circuits. It's a primitive physical form of emotional connection. A yawn, then, is more than a reflex. It's a glimpse into our social minds. And here's something even more interesting. We're more likely to catch a yawn from family, friends, or people we feel close to, and less likely from strangers. This pattern shows yawning's role in reinforcing social ties. Young children and people with certain neurological conditions yawn less contagiously, reflecting differences in empathy and social processing. A similar pattern is seen in chimpanzees and dogs, more contagious yawning between closely bonded individuals. Contagious yawning is ancient social glue, helping groups stay connected. But does contagious yawning also prove empathy? The research is mixed. While some studies suggest a weak correlation, others show no clear link. Even people with autism or certain neurological conditions can experience contagious yawning, just sometimes differently. But one thing is clear. Contagious yawning reveals that our brains don't just react to the world, we reflect it. Sometimes, without speaking or even thinking, we sync with others in tiny, invisible ways, like share and subscribe for more fun facts.